to know that why it was best, because my model and this is Navneet. So I think great round of applause to Navneet that she acted so well in that ad. And luckily now Sumir said that she is my student also doing MBA online, but it's good, best of luck. But it's a time to learn from people like you, those who are very young and doing something good. So one thing, those who are here, we are supporting the women entrepreneurs, not only women but the men also. मुझे बहुत तरस आ रहा था बेचारे आदमियों पे, बहुत ज़्यादा. So you will be amazed to know our data of the Chitkara University, that we have 3 incubation centers. Now it is 4 because we have an incubation center in school also. I'm not propagating Chitkara University. Everybody knows about it. Our logo is so prominent. But I just wanted to tell that how we started and what is my journey and why I want to tell every woman and every man here that it's not aspirations for the lady, it is for the men also. So when we started the incubation center, we are very early entrant into giving the seed money. And at that time, I was not knowing what is startup, what is seed money. My background is that I'm a passionate mathematics teacher, and I started teaching in 76, and some of you were not born either. So now I'm touching 70, but I love myself. I am Geet of Jab We Met. I pamper myself a lot. I don't need anybody. I can enjoy my company. I can travel to US alone, and everybody said that you're not scared. I said that every fellow passenger is my family. So they become my family because when I talk to them, and then they become my son, or sometimes they become my brother, sometimes they become my... So normally now they become my son. They can't be my boyfriend, but वो बेटा ही बन जाता है by default. So मुझे नहीं पता किस दिन मैं डॉक्टर साहब को भी कह दूंगी बेटा इधर आ, because it's now 48 years into education that everybody has become beta for me. But one thing which before starting this and before thanking Sahil ji, but I just want to tell every woman here that you have to pamper yourself. In the morning, I always tell every girl of my university, we have now 30,000 students in our campus, in all the campuses together. And I'm for the men also, but I'm for the women. I always tell them that aap apne hi dushman ho. So you see that in a family, now we have startup system, and 79% of our startups are women startups, women-led startups. And yesterday there was a Thai competition where they were giving the awards to the innovative startup of the year, and that was I think was given to my student of first year, and she's a girl from Samana, the tier 2 or whatever city you say. And that was because we propagate that. Now it is our in ecosystem, and 2007 we are the first entrant into startup, and Saisa, we are always with you to give you, because it's a great service to the society if you are giving back. And we always say that we tell students that please never ask for the placement. It's okay, 144 crores of the population, if everybody start asking for the jobs are not there in government, but you have to create job for everybody. Now I will tell you one example that one of my startup at an average is creating job for 2,500 people. So if you multiply my 188 startups, those who are sitting in my incubation center, and we give them so much of support. So I think I'm always there, not as a women entrepreneur. मैं लड़कियों से ज़्यादा लड़का बन चुकी हूँ, because I have worked with all men around me. I was the first lady in education, those who were leading the university. Whenever I used to go to secretariat, or whenever I used to go to Putia, I was the only one lady and people used to say, जब शाम का डिनर शुरू होता था, मैडम हम तुसी चले जाओ. तो मैं कहती क्यों? कहते हुन अपना शुरू कर देना दूसरा हिसाब किताब. तो मैं मैंने डर नहीं लगता थोड़े हिसाब किताब में. तुसी पियो गिरोगे तो मैंने कोई संभालने वाला चाहिए तो. So I used to say कि I am not scared of you. Now what is the problem in our society and all the ladies, I think 70%, 80% ladies are here. In a family, you have never seen कि कोई सौरा अपनी बहू को तंग करता है. You have never seen that brother-in-law is creating some problem for you. Who all are there? हमारे टप्पे भी सारे, बोलियां भी सारी, सास कुटनी, नान कुटनी, यही कहते हैं ना हम. Reason being that we are our own enemies. So we are scared of mother-in-law. Mother-in-law is scared of now. The mother-in-law is scared of the daughter-in-law also because she has to take care. So I think it is very important first to change our mindset, the women's mindset, that we are, the men are not our enemies, we ourselves are our enemies. 90% of the problems happens when mother-in-law says अपने बेटे को तू उधर गुलाम बन गया, जोरू दा गुलाम बन गया. Now he started showing that I'm man. Who is at fault? He is not, वो तो बेचारा है. And sorry, जो आदमी बैठे वो कान बंद कर लेंगे. हम लोगों ने, the women has made them बेचारा. ब्रदर घर आता है स्कूल से, जॉब से, मदर क्या कहती है? सबसे पहला काम क्या कहती है? उसके घर में बेटी बैठी है, कोई मदर यहाँ बैठी होगी. अगर मान लो आपका बेटा बाहर से आ रहा है और बिटिया घर बैठी है तो आप क्या कहते हो? कोई मदर, ओल्ड मदर, वो कहते वीर आ गया पानी दे दे. अगर बेटा घर बैठा और बिटिया वापस आ रही है, हम कभी भी नहीं कहेंगे वीर को कि वो आई है तो पानी नहीं देते. सेम हमारे हस्बैंड आते हैं, उनके चाय पियोगे? कभी हस्बैंड ने नहीं बोला होगा कि तू चाय पिएगी. अब क्या किया हमने? इनडायरेक्टली, सॉरी प्लीज सुनना नहीं, वी हैव मेड ऑल द मेन पंगु, सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन अस, वेयर दे कांट वर्क विदाउट आवर हेल्प. सो इट मीन्स वी आर ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड फ्रॉम बर्थ. वी आर एम्पावर्ड. हमने उनको, लोग कहते हैं कि हस्बैंड की डेथ होती है ना तो कहते हैं जी कोई नहीं, लड़की संभाल लेगी, कोई गल नहीं, सब कुछ देख लेगी, जॉब भी उसकी जगह मिल जाएगी. जिस दिन लेडी की डेथ होती है उस दिन समझ लो सब कुछ खत्म. उसकी अभी वो डेड बॉडी बेचारी, अभी वो गया भी नहीं होता, उसकी माँ जो है वो पहले ही एक वो लड़की देख ले इसी उसमें शोक सभा में कि इसको तो ब्याह है क्योंकि बच्चे कैसे पालेगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ सोसाइटी माइंडसेट वेयर वी हैव टू चेंज. एंड साहिल साहब, आई एम नॉट विद यू. यू आर सेइंग कि पंजाब में लेडीज ज्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स नहीं है. पैदा होते ही पंजाबी लेडी इज एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो इफ यू सी इन पंजाब, परांगी, जुत्ती, फुलकारी, आई थिंक अचार, चटनी, it's all exported to every country. You call just जज साहब से बोलो जो बैठे अभी सर, कनाडा में all अचार चटनी सब मिलता है. You go to US, everywhere the products of Punjab are there. So I think just we have to see that how we have to change our mindset. First of all, you have to respect yourself. If you respect yourself, the others will also respect you. How dare that anybody come to me and say ki you can't do that. So it's up to you that why you want to become dependent when men are not depending on you. So it's भगवान ने कोई फर्क नहीं डाला. But we are very lucky. The God was also so great that जो भी ऊपर बैठे हैं, he is having faith in women. That is why one thing which we can do, the men can't do. बच्चा वो बेचारे कभी पैदा नहीं कर सकते, एक बार दर्द होगा वो दोबारा नहीं करेंगे. But we are so much bold कि God also knew that we can do that. So it means we have to support the ladies, especially please in Punjab especially. I have seen, we have adopted villages here. I've seen going to the villages and I feel so sad for them that they, once ma'am said that they are snubbed by the parents and they say that kuch nahi pata, but it's not there. So we ourselves are at fault. We have to understand that this is my path and we should say when we have to say no and when we have to say yes. So we should be firm, and it's in your mind. If you have made up your mind to do something in life, nobody can stop you. And my example is that I started my journey as a as a very from middle class family. My parents were in job earning 80 rupees or 90 rupees. I was born and brought up in Delhi. Came to Chandigarh in 75, never went back because Chandigarh was so beautiful. And I did a simple marriage. It was my this commitment that I don't have to invest anything in my marriage for dowry or from. So we never took dowry and we never take जो क्या कहते हैं दहेज जो किसी से भी नहीं लिया, because I said what was the reason? I was very young at 19, 20. I got married, and it was a reason that they said that why you're not getting. Your parents have money, so why you're not getting dowry from them, or why you're not getting things from your in-laws? I said वो अपनी टेस्ट का दे देंगे, आज मिक्सी देंगे, 20 साल बाद ये पूछे को मिक्सी चल रही है, so why I should take everything from the market of my taste? And so from that day onwards, God was so great. We took so much of this we can say challenges and risks. So for women, one example from my life is that you should be risk taker. I'm a teacher. So when we started our own venture, me and my husband, everybody knows Dr. Chitkara. He's an authority in mathematics. So when we started this venture, he was having so much of blind faith on my capabilities that he said that you go everywhere because I am a teacher, I don't want to go. So I said, I am also a teacher. I said that no, those capabilities of managing the things, you're managing home, you're managing teaching line. So you manage that whatever regulatory bodies are there, I only teach. So I took the responsibility from that day onwards. In 2001, 2002, we started the first college. And I went to bank, and beautiful example, साइंस अब हैरान होगी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था ये कोलेट्रल का वर्ड के स्पेलिंग क्या होते हैं, व्हाट इज डेट, व्हाट इज दिस रेशियो. सो यू हैव अ रेशियो, यू आर अ सीए, यू नो एवरीथिंग. आई वेंट टू यूको बैंक एंड आई सेड कि मुझे कॉलेज खोलना है एंड मुझे ना 50 लाख लोन दे दो. सो ही सेड, अब वो भी घबरा गई, लेडी आई, एंटर करी, मैनेजर की, और मैं कहा सर मुझे लोन चाहिए, बस मुझे कॉलेज खोलना और सवेरे पैसे देने भी आना. सो दे सेड व्हाट कोलेट्रल यू विल बी गोइंग. आई सेड व्हाट इज कोलेट्रल. कहते कोई प्रॉपर्टी. मैं जी एक है, वो भी अभी लोन पे है. रीजन बीइंग दैट मैंने फर्स्ट बयाना दे दिया, इसलिए आई कांट गिव यू. But I don't know that what came in front of their eyes. भगवान ने क्या वो आंखों में पर्दा डाला, तो उस बेचारे ने दे दिया मुझे. And then from there, story starts that bank was with me and the only banks. And I think we never took the consultancy from any of that firm. Reason being that I knew there are two methods of learning the swimming. How you can learn that how to swim. One is that you try to go to any coaching center, go to any practice sessions and tell the coach to give you the rules, the regulations. I was never ever the rules and regulation guy. I believe only in action. So second is how you will learn swimming, jump into the pool. अपने आप ही जब बनने लगोगे तो कुछ ना कुछ तो हाथ पैर मारोगे. So I took that thing and people were with me, God was with me, and there is a history that now we have started from 220 students and now 22,000 in one campus and other campuses. So I think it is, if people अकेले चले थे पर कारवां चलता है, लोग साथ मिलते हैं. And if you are ethical, the only last advice from me to all the ladies here, whatever problems. So when the problems are there, it means you are on a success path. If there is no problem, it means you are not doing something right. If problems are there, so you say that, okay, shabash, aaj ek problem aayi hai. Because every problem, whatever circumstances are, and if they are bad, they give you one opportunity and you learn a lot. So I have a great patience. I have a great willpower. Reason being that I can sit in secretariat for 4 years to get the statue passed for my Chitkara University. It was affiliated college and it took me 4 years because my file was not heavy and my things were not political. So people knew that iski koi approach nahi hai to is baith sakti hai. But I was so patient, and then 4 years ke baad they have by force unko banani padi. So it is all in an ecosystem. If you are doing something very, very ethical. So my only suggestion to all of you is that whatever you are doing, be ethical, the world will be with you. And thank you very much, Sahilji. You thought of this great opportunity. We are always with you and doing good for the women. And do it for funding. You do it for the boys also because they also need funding, and sometimes there is nobody to help them out. But it's
for 3 years.
yeah, so it's very good that, and you come to our incubation centers. Have you seen that? Navneet has seen that. So you come to our so you come to our incubation center, all of you, and I will give you some connections in all across the globe, because we have collaborated with 225 international universities where they want to invest, where they want to handhold the people like those who want seed money. So we will give you the connection. You just wherever they are on our campus, we will call you. Just connect to them. Give your whatever you are doing, smart pamphlet, and you know that Navneet is there, so she will be able to do smartly that how to project. So we can do that, and I think all of us are with you. And thank you very much for this initiative. Thank you.